I got some mystery bags from Ipsy, and the first one that I'm going to show today is from April 2021. It has a cute little leaf pattern to the bag. There's 5 items in here. So it looks like there is an eyeshadow, so I'll open that up in a moment and take a look at that. A Hydrate and Renew Replenishing Night Cream. Bright Eyes for Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate by Goldfaden MD. It's supposed to help with tired and problem eyes. Looks like an eyeshadow brush and let's see, Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. That's all that came in this bag. So we can start with the eyeshadow. It's from Violet Voss, and it's a single shadow color. And it says Nude Sparks. Let me just open up the box. Comes in a cute little case. Definitely a darker color. Let's see how this one shows up. So as you can see there, definitely comes out very brown, which is fine. Then we have this Bright Eyes solution. Let's see what this smells like. No real odor to it. And it definitely does absorbs pretty well into the skin. I would say definitely don't use too much though. A little's gonna go a long way here. This one is by Glow On Fifth Beauty. It is still all sealed. Just gonna check the ingredients real quick because I am allergic to cedar and juniper, and sometimes I know a few of these things do have that in that, and I don't feel like breaking out into a rash today. So I don't see either of those ingredients in here. So let me open this. So everything comes fully sealed. Not too much of an odor here either, which is good because in the creams that you put on your face, you really don't want them to have too much of an odor. Again, a little will go a long way here. So the last thing to test is this Pearlise Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. You would put this on before you put on your makeup just to keep your face, you know, nice and moist, and it also helps with acne, it claims. Again, not really much of a scent, which is good because with matcha, sometimes it's very earthy, and I just don't know if I would want that on my face. So this is it for the April bag, all 5 items. I will say I am slightly disappointed that the eyeshadow in the April bag was this brown. I would have expected more of a bright springy color to be in an April bag to kind of help you get ready for spring and summer and to be bright. The other thing is I feel that a lot of times they put too many of these different like lotions and creams in Ipsy bags, even though I know when I had the subscription, I requested to have fewer of these items, and I still got 1 to 2 full-sized per month, and I just really don't use very many different products than what I already have at home. So I just felt like I was getting too much of those products and had to stop my subscription for a while, which is why I thought it would be fun to try, you know, some of the mystery bags and see what products they're still putting in the monthly bags to see if I want to try it again. Going off the April one, I say I would still hold off, but I have 2 more bags to go through. One is another of the small bags from February, and then one of the larger bags from October. So look forward to those. Thank you, everybody. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Have you ever tried any of these products? What do you think of them if you have? And if you haven't, are you interested in trying any of them? Thanks. Bye.